Alright guys, it's the middle of January, and we are on a little, can't even really call it a camp trip, but me and my daughter are out here, and we actually have a little log cabin that we're using for the night, just to do some observation. In this area there's tons and tons of wildlife. You'll see my daughter taking some, take some photos and some video herself. And I'll give you a little view of what we got going on here, okay? Okay guys, this is the area here, and this is where we hunt a lot, mostly bow hunting. We do out through this area here. Over on the right there's a bunch of fields, basically farms, so the deer like to patrol through there and then hightail it in here. Okay, so this whole area is full of deer. We've got a 10-point buck here last year, and a couple of does were taken this year already. And this is the area, and where we're staying is right here, which is pretty much a unbelievable little spot. Okay, got a wood burning stove inside, and it really is a nice area here. Alright, I'll take you around the back side of this a little bit. It's not about survival camping here, let me tell you that, guys. It's all about just me and my daughter having a time out here in the winter. This is what we got here, alright guys? If I don't talk to you later, we'll shoot. My daughter's going to basically shoot and see what she can find. She always likes to come out and spend time out here in the wilderness with me, as you guys saw in the past videos. And she likes to shoot her own video now, so see what she can come up with, alright guys? So hopefully she'll catch something for you. Did you hear that? Some sort of odd bird noise. Oh, woodpecker. Way in there somewhere is a little cardinal. I don't know if you can see him very well or not, but that mourning dove's still sitting there, just enjoying himself. There's a little bird. Well, as you can see, there's not a whole lot of wildlife visible today, but as soon as I turn this camera off, watch a deer come running by. I'm telling you. Ooh! Something just flew into a tree. Something big. Is that a hawk? Oh gosh. Alright, I think it's safe to say let's go right down.